Alright, so I just got my underwater camera in the mail today and kind of open it up and see what we got here. So we got a user manual. Looks like we got a little, looks like it's a sunscreen. You can set this, clip it onto the screen here, and provides a little shade so if the sun is shining you don't get a glare off the screen. Nice option. Oh, nice carrying case. Everything comes packed nicely in the case. We got a charging cable. We got a battery. We got the cables that come from the screen, your power and video cables. We got the camera itself. Got a bobber, a float. It's another way of attaching a line and keeping the camera afloat as it keep it at a certain depth level. And a whole spool of cable. Looks like plenty of line to get down quite a few feet. So what I'll do is I'll hook up, see what we got for video. Power into the screen. Very nice screen. Power up the camera. There we go. And we got power for the black light on the camera. I don't know if you can see the pretty nice and clear. It's darker right now. I'm down in my basement, so it's on black and white. Let me see if I can turn on the lights and make a difference. Very clear, nice resolution on the camera. Looks like we have a few different options for hooking up the camera. You can hook it up so you can do horizontal viewing, which would be more for like your ice fishing. You can hang the camera down a hole, spin it around to get kind of your horizontal viewing. Or you can take the little plastic clips off. And you can do a vertical view. Now, looks like they have some clips in here. Some more plastic clips. They also have some metal clips. Now these would go on your fishing rod itself. These would go through the eye loops of your fishing pole, And what you do is you have your line go through the fishing pole, and then this camera line would go off the eyelets of your fishing pole onto these plastic clips. Then as you let your line down on your fishing pole, you let the line out of the spool, and basically you have your fishing line come through one of these lips, dangle with your hooks right below the camera, and you can watch your bait as you fish with the camera. Pretty nice option. Gives you a couple different viewing. Looks like they got a little metal thing here that you could put a piece of bait on or whatever to try to attract fish and look at it that way also. Very nice setup. Very nice convenient case. Case is nice for looks like storing everything and keeping everything neatly packed in there. Great resolution, lots of line for the camera to get down to pretty good depths. So kind of in between seasons right now. It's fall, so it's kind of cold out, kind of cool to get out in the boat, but I'm going to try here in the next week to get out in the boat and give this a try, and I will post another video when I do that. And then as soon as I'm able to get out and do some ice fishing and the lakes freeze, I will give it another try and post another video and let you know how it goes and how it is in the cold weather. But I'm very happy, very pleased with the camera, the setup, the resolution of the picture, the night vision option on it, so it's when you get down in the deep water you're still going to be able to see. It'll be black and white, but that's alright. Okay, so I'll be back and post another video when I get out into the water and use it. Thanks for watching.